Are you curious to know how we use 3D printing technology to make our jewelry? First, a virtual model is developed in a 3D program. Then, the file is sent to a drop-down high-resolution 3D printer that uses DLP technology. Resin is poured into a container. Then, the mold is printed layer by layer. The model is cured, cleaned up, and attached to a wax tree. When the tree is complete, the whole wax structure is placed in a flask. After that, a special liquid plaster called investment is mixed and poured over the tree to encase it all in plaster. Once the plaster mold hardens and cures, it is heated in a gas oven to melt out all the wax, leaving a hole in the plaster that is an exact replica of the branching tree of wax jewelry. After the mold is hardened and burned out, a mixture of gold and/or other metals added to it are melted in a separate casting machine furnace. When the metal reaches the correct temperature, it is poured into the hardened plaster mold with the tree impression. After the gold hardens, the mold is cracked and the golden tree is removed. Individual pieces are separated and sent for finishing. After that, the jewelry has to be removed from the tree in the mold. It is then put into a tumble machine, smoothed, sanded, and then buffed by hand on a polishing wheel. And the last step, gold or silver plating. Gold plating is an electrochemical process by which a thin layer of gold is deposited on the surface of another metal. An electric current draws gold ion, which are positively charged, through a gold bath solution, allowing them to adhere to the negatively charged piece of metal. The piece will be rinsed with water and hung to dry after the final coating, then polished, packaged, and sent to you. Here you go. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your 3D printed jewelry.